All right. Can you say hi to Grandma?
Hi, Grandma.
All right. Dance around, sweetie pie. What are you going to do tomorrow?
Magical morning.
Can you tell Grandma what you're wearing?
Butterfly.
And what else you got on?
One.
And what's around your middle part?
Tutu.
Can you do some ballerina steps for Grandma? Nice. All right. Can you go back over there so I can see you? All right. Nice. Nice. Okay. Can you do a turn? Excellent. All right. What are you going to say to Grandma?
Bye.
Say it loud.
Bye.
Say it loud.
I love you. Bye.